Isaiah the prophet, Paul, the apostle of the Gentiles, and Simon Peter, the rock on whom Christ built his church. And all of them talk about their call, the call to serve Jesus. And all these calls you see are in different contexts, different environment. Let's reflect on their calls and see what is Jesus telling us today at this very moment. The call of Isaiah. At this time, the king had just died who had lived many years serving as a king. And the people, of course, of Israel, as you all know, were unsettled people. One day with Yahweh, other day with, other gods. Unsettled, unhappy people. So at this time, this context, Isaiah gets a call. And he is in the temple, right in the Holy of Holies, where only the priests could enter. And there's a vision of the heavenly court, God's glory and others around. And when he sees this, he felt, I'm unworthy to be here because I am a sinner. At this time, God's grace, so to say, touches him and is cleansed of his so-called his sins and impurities. And there the call comes, not to him directly. The call is in general, the whole heavenly court. Whom shall I send? And Isaiah says, here I am, send me.